Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're going to be making Italian seasoning. Now I've had several comments on other videos asking what is Italian seasoning. And it's a blend of dry herbs that most people have in their cabinets. They do sell it in the store already mixed up, but today I'm going to teach you how to make it yourself. We need a few simple ingredients, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 2 tablespoons of basil, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and if you like a little bit of heat, you can add in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flake. And it's as simple as this. We're gonna take all of our ingredients, go into a bowl, and give this a mix, or you can put it in a jar and just give it a few simple shakes, and then it's gonna be done. And once you have it mixed up, you can use it right away. Now if you want to store it, you can put it in a airtight container with a lid, and this will last several months in your cabinet. You can put it in an old spice shaker that you have, but it's that simple. Now this seasoning goes fantastic on pastas, chickens, vegetables, just about anything. It's a great blend of herbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.